Hey, I'm Stevie the Archer. I will make a quick video for you to decide if you wanna shoot 3 under or split finger. Split finger versus 3 under, as the name says, you're holding your string 3 under or you're holding your string split finger. There's pros and cons to each of those shooting styles. 3 under makes sure that your arrow is directly under your eye. Which I mean by that, arrow is directly under your eye, which makes aiming, if you're gap shooter, even if you're intuitive shooter or split vision shooter, it will make your life easier. Your brain has a lot less to calculate. Smoother release because your fingers are bunched all together and you have easier time releasing your string. Here, I just let all 3 fingers quite synchronized. So a lot of people find 3 finger under to be a lot easier for releasing. Cones are quite, your bows are going to be louder. Maybe not such a left bow where you can change a tiller that your limbs are synchronized and that they work as they should, but most of the traditional bows will perform a little bit worse. They will be louder, they will be a little bit janky, have a little bit more hand shock, and that's it. That's the biggest difference. Pros and cons, a lot of pros and a little bit of cons for 3 under. Let's talk about split finger. Split finger, as is used in a most traditional archery or Olympic archery, is when you hold your pointing finger over the arrow, 2 other ones directly under. The pros are, if you're an intuitive shooter, you can blur your bow better out. You don't know where's your bow, where's your arrow, you don't know nothing. You just go off feel. I don't know if it's pro or con. You can argue one or the other, but it's the truth. If you decide to shoot split finger, your arrow will automatically be more far from your face or more far from your eye, or it will make the things a little harder, which is not a problem. You get used to it, especially if you're completely intuitive. It doesn't make any difference. Pros are all of the traditional bows are tailored for Mediterranean or split finger shooting. So all of the wooden bows, one-piece bows, all of them, they will perform better, and you will get a couple of feet per second more out of your bow. It will be a little bit more quiet. It will be a little bit less hand shock, and it will be more quiet, more nice to shoot. And a lot of archers say that they can pull more poundage when they shoot split finger. I don't know why. For me it's all the same, but split finger has its advantages, especially when we talk about bow performance, especially one-piece traditional bow performance. Knocking points needs to be adjusted according to the shooting styles. So for the 3 under, a little bit higher. For the Mediterranean style or split finger, normal as any normal bow should be set up. That's it. There's nothing to it. Hate it, love it, I don't know. But I am 3 under shooter, and I just decided, for me, this is how I let my string the best, how my release is the best, my performance is the best. Even though I shoot most of the time intuitive, I have split vision, I'm always aware of my arrow, and that helps me with the alignment a little bit. So if you ask me, 3 under is the way to go. See you next one.